taking a good look at your environment, you will discover that everything you see are made up of shapes. Most times these shapes makes our environment beautiful and colorful. And one of the shapes you will see is a triangle. This will bring us to a very interesting and fascinating topic in mathematics: types of triangles. Before we go into the types of triangles, I want us to explore some facts about triangles. And one of our focus here is, what is a triangle? Please write down important points as we progress in this teaching. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. Now, we can classify triangles into 3 depending on the length of the different sides. We have isosceles, we have equilateral, we have scaling triangle. For an equilateral triangle, when you measure the length of the 3 sides, they are exactly the same. That is to say, the length of the 3 sides of an equilateral triangle are exactly the same. Isosceles triangle, when you measure the 3 sides, only 2 of the sides are the same, 1 is different. That means only 2 sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, 1 is different. And lastly, we have a scaling triangle. When you measure the length of the side of a scaling triangle, they are all different, meaning that for a scaling triangle, the length of the 3 sides are not equal. Remember, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, and scaling triangle are the classes of triangle based on the length of the 3 sides. Now, remember that equilateral triangle, the length of the 3 sides are equal. For an isosceles triangle, only 2 lengths are equal. The last side is different. Now, for a scaling triangle, when you measure the 3 sides, none of the sides are equal. I want you to write down important points as we progress. Another aspect of classification of triangles will be based on the types of basic angles in which they contain. For basic angles, we have acute angles. Acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degree. We won't stop there. We have other types of angles. We have obtuse angles. These are angles that are greater than 90 degrees, but they are less than 180 degrees. Then, the last types of angles we'll be treating is a right angle. Right angles, these are angles that are 90 degrees. So, we could also say a right angle is a 90-degree angle. And most times, only one 90-degree angle can be contained in a triangle. I haven't taught you the different ways of identifying the types of triangles. We are going to be answering some questions. In those questions, we shall be identifying the different triangles that are presented to us. Example 1. It says, state the types of triangles shown below. Now, you will want to answer this on your own. Number 1, we have a triangle in which two sides are equal, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and only the third side is different. Now, remember that I said the types of triangle in which only two sides are equal is called, I know you have answered it, and if you answered it correctly, applaud yourself. The correct answer is isosceles triangle. Number 2, all the sides are equal. I know you are already whispering it. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, it therefore means that triangle is an equilateral triangle. And number 3, the three sides are different, meaning none of the sides are equal. And remember, I told you that the type of triangle in which no sides are equal is called a scalene triangle. Good. We are going to proceed by identifying the different types of triangles using the basic angle which they contain. Example 2. We shall be identifying these triangles. Number 1, we have a triangle with angle 90, and the hint says one angle is 90 degrees. And remember, the type of angle that have a 90 degrees is a right angle. This means the answer to number 1 is right angled triangle. Now, remember that for any triangle to form a right angle, it means two of the lines must meet together to form a head-shaped perpendicular line. You can see the head-shaped perpendicular line. Good. Now, number 2, we have all the angles less than 90 degrees. All the angles in number 2 are less than 90 degrees. And remember, the types of angles that are less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degree is called acute. This means that the answer to number 2 is acute triangle. And the last, we have one angle greater than 90 degrees. Number 3, anytime you have a triangle that have one angle that is greater than 90 degrees, it means that triangle is an obtuse triangle. This is because every obtuse triangle contains one angle that is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Now I want you to do this for me. I'm giving you a task. This task, you are going to answer it in the questions and notes feature in your portal. I want you to tell me if it is possible for two L-shaped perpendicular lines to be in one triangle. I repeat, using the notes and question feature in your portal, I want you to tell me if it is possible for two L-shaped perpendicular lines to be in one triangle. I hope you enjoy my teaching. Please, I want you to go over every point again, digest it, then go over to your game section, play your game while you are having fun, then you go to your assignment section, download the PDF, solve on a plain booklet, and upload. Till we meet again, stay safe. Bye for now.